Today we'll discuss an important exercise for anyone who works sitting, whether office worker, watchmaker, or even dentist. You will all need this exercise. Why? Because the goal is to prevent rounded shoulders posture, which go together with forward head posture, neck pain, migraines, and all that. Welcome, I'm Olivier Girard, ergonomist, posture therapist, author of the Posture Manual, and creator of 3 online posture programs. The only thing you need for this exercise is an elastic band and a door handle. The elastic band here is like 2 meters something long, but actually I need 2 times 50 centimeters, so say a meter or a meter 50, something like this. If you look at the mechanics of the shoulder blade, you see that when my collarbone moves forward, the shoulder blades shifts to the outside of the body. Therefore, it's the same to prevent the shoulder from moving forward, i.e. the collarbone or moving forward, than to prevent the shoulder blade from moving outwards. The muscles that we'll use to help with that is the lower trapezius, which is here, and which brings the shoulder blades downwards and together. This is unlike the rhomboids, which will bring the shoulder blades horizontally together, like this, which creates neck strain. So we don't want to engage those, we want to engage those. And we will do this in a slightly dynamic way so as to learn how we can anchor our shoulder blades whereas we're doing something with the hands. That's why we need the elastic band. So you take your elastic band, you put it on one side of the door handle, other side of the door handle, and you make it more or less equal. All right? And from then, the exercise will be standing. The position that you need to have and keep is the following. Your feet are parallel and your weight is neither under the toes nor under the heels, but under the arch of the foot. Your knees are unlocked and your butt is pushed back. Pushed back but not hollow. Pushed back and flat. All right? And from there, we need to monitor the collarbones. So if I do the exercise with one side only, I can put my hand on the collarbone. Otherwise, I have to use my body awareness for that. What we want to avoid again is this, right? We want not that, but that, which isn't that. All right? Just that. So what I do is I tense the elastic band, and from the moment I tense, I will only do very, very, very small movements, like this, just bringing it towards my belly button. And immediately, this wakes up the muscles in the mid-back, which are the lower trapezius. Careful that you don't hollow your back, keep it flat, and from here, I pull it slightly to the left, meaning that the band will exert a resistance towards forward and the right, or I pull it here, the band goes in the other direction, and my job is to make sure that my collarbones will not move throughout this disturbance, throughout this movement. You see? And that means that I have an active stabilization of my shoulder blades, which is strengthening the mid-back also, and which helps me fight rounded shoulders. This is the only skill that you need to master. This exercise is to be done ideally once to twice a day for a minute or two, it doesn't matter. And then I can do it on one side only, then on the other side. And as I work on this muscle, I also prevent the serratus anterior pain, which makes a lot of you suffer massively. After you finished, just make sure that you relax the area with small movements like this, either with your whole spine and or with your arms and shoulder blade system. And you're ready to go.